What features should be mentioned about EtchMate Engraving Pen? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features: precision, power, possibility. Unleash your creativity with the craft culture EtchMate, a precision engraving pen designed for wood, glass, metal, leather, and more. With 31 pro-grade bits, an LED work light, and adjustable speeds up to 20,000 RPM, it transforms everyday objects into personalized works of art. All-inclusive kit, complete kit includes the EtchMate engraving pen with a protective cap. 30 bits in an organized storage case, 1 carbide burr bit, charging cable, 4 test pieces, metal, wood, leather, acrylic, stencils, letters, numbers, shapes, and an illustrated 36-page guidebook with beginner projects. 30 professional bits included, from fine detail to bold textures. The set of 30 professional-grade engraving bits, plus carbide burr, covers every style and finish. Each tip is designed for smooth, precise results. Cordless power and convenience. Enjoy hours of engraving freedom with long-lasting rechargeable power and fast charging. No cords, no hassle, charge and create wherever inspiration strikes. Ergonomic design and smart display. Designed for comfort and control, the EtchMate features a balanced grip for extended sessions, a clear digital display to track speed and battery, and an easy tap power button positioned to avoid accidental presses. Built for diverse materials, Etch designs into wood, glass, metal, leather, acrylic, stone, and more. Perfect for personalizing jewelry, gifts, tools, or DIY projects with clean detail and creative flair. The perfect gift for creatives, whether for a beginner, DIY enthusiast, or seasoned crafter. The EtchMate is an inspiring gift that unlocks endless creative possibilities in one sleek, premium kit. It's more than a tool, it's an experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.